Hey explorers, welcome back to Guidezen. Today app is a live Earth map, a world 3D map app. Just go to Google Play Store and search Live Earth Map World 3D Map and download this application, which have 15 MB size and already have 10 million downloads. Actually, the Live Earth Map World 3D Map is an amazing app that lets you explore the entire world in 3D right from your phone. You can zoom into any location, see live satellites, imaginary, and even explore famous landmarks in real time. It also includes Street View, Compass Mode, and GPS navigation all in one app. The app loads fast and the 3D visuals look stunning, like you are traveling virtually anywhere. If you love map or geography, this one app you will definitely enjoy using. I hope the short tutorial and the app review of this app is helpful for you. You got many info about that. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Best of luck.